The EMA50 truly is as of now at $0.001. Or so they in a real sense thought. The $0.000746995 support level for spell United States dollar especially is areas of strength for truly, so they truly thought. Spell United States dollar certainly is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690 in an unobtrusive manner. Bears control spells sort of current cost activities, which basically is very huge. 18 August 2023. In this video we will walk you through explicitly spell truly token cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these oftentimes truly got clarification on some things, facts. What for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for truly spell token, generally will be by and large spell a genuinely wise speculation, which explicitly is very critical. Spell commonly token help and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the spell specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in a sort of enormous manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,100,425,532, showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,053,100,425,532 in an unpretentious manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $71,015,534,287. Especially further appearance how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the spell specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, showing that generally bears control spells really current cost activities, which sort of is very critical, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%, which basically is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value diminishing of 6.02%. Coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period, which basically is very huge. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 13.42, and right now exchanging at 51 cents, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which by and large shows that the genuinely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $71,015,534,287. Certainly further appearance how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the spell specialized examination, generally let us really discuss the very current economic situations, which basically is very huge. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an essentially descending heading for sort of present moment, fundamentally further appearance, how essentially bears control spells truly current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a really broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. Spell in every practical sense, token help and opposition backing and obstruction, essentially are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of more exceptionally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how support generally is a level at which purchasers really become kind of additional, all things considered, dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters move exceptionally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly is very critical. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of truly spelled genuinely token, spelled truly token execution. The cost of generally spell really token, spell, sort of is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week in a genuinely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, which for the most part shows that the EMA 50 certainly is presently at $0.001 in a truly significant manner. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 especially are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing that 18 August 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through sort of spell genuinely token cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part, attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified some things facts. What by and large is transient cost expectation for fundamentally spell token, generally is all things considered, spell a truly wise speculation, or so they for the most part thought. Spell really token value examination especially spell cost investigation for 18 August 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, which for the most part, shows that Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters, has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that by and large bears control spells especially current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal.